How to set up safeguard on Telegram. So if you want to set up a safeguard on Telegram, then first you need to open up your Telegram application and make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged into your account, now you can simply choose a public channel or a chat, anything that you're comfortable with. So I'll be choosing a channel. Once you've chosen, now what you need to do is simply go with the add members option. Here you will have the add members. Click on add and then you will be able to have the search option. And under search, you need to search for the bot, which is safeguard. Once you've searched here, you need to simply click on the safeguard option and now go with add, which is here on the bottom right, and again click on add, and now the safeguard has been added. Now you can simply add the safeguard to your public channel or private channel or any group chat. So you can simply right click on your safeguard and then go with promote to admin, and here allow all of these options and then go with save, and now you have added the safeguard as the admin. Once you've added safeguard as the admin, now you can simply go with the message bar and then type /setup @safeguard robot, and your safeguard portal has been created. So that's how you can set up your safeguard on your Telegram, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.